Hi, Christina here from 13 Baking Company. Today I'm at McCall's kitchen and Mother's Day is just around the corner. So we thought we would show you a really quick tutorial with a show-stopping dessert that's going to wow your mom. Moms do so much for us, so we wanted just to take a quick minute to do something special for her to show her that we love her. So we've got a lot of fantastic options from McCall's to make our cupcakes spectacular. And so let's get started. I picked up some ready ice from McCall's. Perfect time saver, it comes already prepared, so all you have to do is color it. And my mom's favorite color is pink, so I chose to do a few different shades of pink just to add a different dimension to my cupcakes. So you can see I have a light pink, a darker pink, and a white. I picked up a bunch of different sprinkles, new collection at McCall's for Mother's Day specifically. And I think it just complements the colors I've chosen perfectly. I've chosen a couple of different piping tips. You can choose whatever you have in your pantry. I just wanted to do a couple different techniques to give the cupcake a lot of dimension, but you're free to do whatever you want. Have fun with it. It's gonna look fantastic no matter what you choose. Now this last tip, when you pipe it out, it will look like a ribbon. So it will be really chic and fantastic. And when you're going to pipe it, make sure that the larger end of the tip is pointed down and it will taper off to the top and it will look very chic. And you literally just pull it in and out, in and out. So now you have your base of your design. But you don't want to stop there. This is your mom, you have to impress her. You wanted this to be a showstopper. So this is where the McCall's sprinkles come into play. They have these fantastic large balls that are just going to pop on your cupcake. Also at McCall's you can get these fantastic pre-made flowers here. And they just add a nice delicate touch. You could do these on your own as well, but like I said, people don't have time a lot of time these days, so why not let McCall's take all the hard work out for you? And lastly, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of these Mother's Day sprinkles on top to add just a little bit more flair. So we're going to do different designs on our cupcakes because you can't just bring one to your mom. You want to wow her, like I said before. So we're going to do a couple different things here with the cupcakes we have left. Why not send a message to your mother? I think it's a really great idea and it's really simple to get some gum paste. As you can see here, it's already prepared from McCall's. You just have to color it, massage it, roll it out, and then you're free to cut it into a disc like this, and then you can write a message on it with edible marker. And this can be the focal point in your box of cupcakes. I would have it front and center so your mom knows just how much you love her. It's just so cute. I'd love to eat one right now, but I won't. I'll save it for my mom because she deserves it. And there you have it. Literally, this took us maybe 10 minutes. It's really simple. Again, I think it's got that wow factor. You don't have to use pink. You can use whatever your mother's favorite color is to color your icing. Have fun with it and give your mom a big hug. She deserves it. Okay, so here you have it, our completed cupcakes. I've packaged them in this beautiful box that holds 6 cupcakes. You can also get boxes from McCall's that have 4 cupcakes and 2 cupcake holders, but my family has 6 people, so this is what I'm going with for today. And you can't just bring it over plain like this. You gotta tie it with a beautiful ribbon. I've chosen pink to complement the colors of our cupcakes today. And if you have difficulty figuring out how to color your buttercream or you need help baking cupcakes, please check out our other videos on McCall's. Thanks for tuning into our video, and please subscribe so you get updates on any new video that we post on the YouTube page. We're going to be coming out with tons of Mother's Day content, so you'll want to stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and we'll see you soon.